It was a very natural decision actually. So I've been a part of RR since the day I started playing my first IPL game. So definitely I think it was something expected. It's a really great moment for me. I think the trust shown by the franchise and the coaches and the supporting staff trusting in me to do this role. I think definitely I am a very young captain and I'm very much excited to experience a lot of things and learn and become better as a cricketer and as well as a leader of an IPL team. I think from the moment I was made the leader, I think the thing was very clear from the franchise that they are looking at a longer period of me leading the team actually. So I think the words were exchanged much before this retention and whatever process we went through. So it was much decided before. I think that's what I would like to say. Yeah, we have definitely had a lot of conversations with Kumar, Manoj sir and Zubin Baruch and Romy Binder and a lot of RR management and players and senior players. So I think definitely we keep on having the touch, I think no matter what actually. So it's not about the 2 months. I think we all definitely keep communicating throughout the year no matter what. I think there are been a lot of different meetings happening on a lot of different topics, and yes, I think we all are excited and looking forward. It is a really tough call to say no to people, I think who have given a lot of heart and dedication and time for your franchise from last 3 to 4 years. I think definitely it has been a very challenging times for us. I think definitely when you have some real international quality players and some really Indian young talent with you, I think it was a very tough decision to retain and release players. Having Josh with me in the last couple of 2 to 3 seasons, I think I have really enjoyed batting with him. I think from last 2 to 3 years we have had a lot of different and interesting partnership, and he has single-handedly won us a lot of different matches. I think to be very honest, I think he is a very great, he has a very great personality. I think he is a really great person on and off the field, and he is definitely a main member of our core group. I think I really look forward to learn a lot of things from Josh. I think having Josh again for us in the coming season, I think it's a really exciting times to look forward to. And talking about Jaiswal, I think as you all know, I think everyone in the RR franchise or everyone in the Indian cricket is very excited to experience a person like Yashasvi Jaiswal. The way he bats, I think he definitely has a great future ahead. When I look at Jaiswal, I think I remember my old days. I think as you said, when I was retained at the age of 19, I think the same thing has happened with Jaiswal as well. Being retained as a youngster and being playing for Rajasthan Royals, I think definitely there is a great opportunity for every youngsters. I see some of my old days when I see him getting retained so young. I think this big auctions gives us that kind of a chance where we can rebuild our team and then look back at the seasons and understand what all things went wrong and then try and implement in the coming seasons actually. So I think I'm very much excited for the upcoming auctions. So I think I would like to say that thank you for supporting. I think thank you for all your wishes and thank you for all your loyal support. I think we will definitely try our best to put the smiles back on your faces and play some interesting cricket.